everybody. Today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I'm going to show you guys some pieces that I picked up most recently, and y'all definitely got to stick around to the end of the video because I just got some insane pieces at the very end. Before we get into it, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more videos like this when I upload. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So everybody needs a little black dress in their closet for sure, especially for the summertime. And the one that I have picked up is this Guess halter black dress. It's like a midi length and it's not super skin tight, but it is very flattering to my shape. I really love this because this is a piece that I could just throw on and go. I wear this with sandals, I wear it with boots, and it just looks really good. I'm a huge fan of halter tops and dresses. I think they just look really good to have like the back out for the summertime. So yeah, this dress right here was not expensive at all. I probably paid about like $10 for it max. And yeah, it just looks really good. The next item that I have is this DKNY Playsuit right here. And I love this because I think that play suits and jumpsuits are just such an easy thing to wear outside of wearing a dress. You don't always want to wear dresses during the summertime. I mean, for me, I love to wear dresses, but sometimes I want like a jumpsuit. So this is like the perfect alternative to wearing a mini dress, a jumpsuit, so that I don't have to be as self-conscious when I'm walking around if anything's showing. I do have to get some fashion tape or double-sided tape for the bust area because it's a little big in the bust area, so it moves around a lot. But I really do love this. I think it fits me very well, even though it is a size medium and I'm normally a size small. Overall, it is such a cute piece, and I just think it's like the perfect piece for the summertime. The next item I'm going to show you guys is this mini dress. It's this white dress right here. Let me turn down the brightness so y'all can see it. It is a lace dress, as you can see. I think that this also is just a perfect piece for the summertime. It's all about accessorizing at the end of the day. So if any outfit is accessorized properly, it's gonna look right, especially in the summertime with less layers. I feel like we only wear like a t-shirt, shorts, or like a dress. So it is very important to accessorize, whether that be sunglasses, whether that be jewelry, bags, whatever the case is. I think that summertime is the perfect time to accessorize. So yeah, I really do love this. This is another item that I would have to put double-sided tape on around the hem area because this will definitely ride up if I'm just walking around in it. But if I put on double-sided tape, it'll make sure that it's tacked down to me and it will not rise. So quick tip, when I wear mini skirts and dresses, I also wear like very short shorts underneath it, so that in the case that the wind is blowing, I won't be exposed. This next dress is one of my favorite items. It is this long cowl neck backless dress, and you really can't see much going on for me holding it, so I'm just going to show you guys me in the dress. This dress looks so nice on. It is just so beautiful, and I am 5'8.5". The length of it is perfect. This is definitely a dress that I would have to wear with heels. I let one of my friends to use it for a birthday shoot and she looked so good in it. She's about like 5'9", 5'10", and yeah, just looks so good. I love a long dress. So effortless, so easy to wear, but it still looks really good. And this dress reminds me of that fish from Shark Tales. As soon as I saw it, that's what I thought of. And for the price, I think that this is perfect. This dress was $18, and for how beautiful it looks, like you get a full look for $18, I had to have it. The next item I have are these camo pants, and for me, you can't go wrong with a pair of camos. I didn't have any green camo pants, so I decided to pick these up, and they are just so perfect. For me, they are like a essential in my closet. I wear these with everything, crop tops, t-shirts, sneakers, just about anything you could wear these pants with. I really do enjoy them. And yeah, just like running errands in the city, I wear them to work because they're just very easy to wear. And normally I pair them with a crop top. For me, I like wearing a crop top or a more fitted top on the top half of my body if I'm going to be wearing something that's baggy or just more loose on the bottom. The next item I got is this mini leather skirt, and I got this from the Goodwill outlets. You guys, look at this. It is so freaking cute. It has a little like ruffle detail in it. As you can see, it's like very slight ruffles, but it looks so good on. And I don't know if this is a kid's skirt or not. It says it's size 12, but it's not a 12, and it's not a 12 because it's kind of tight on me. So I'm assuming maybe it's a kid's 12. But I got this skirt for like maybe $2, $3, if that. And it was a bin that was filled with Ralph Lauren sample pieces at the Goodwill. So yeah, I definitely got a lot more pieces, but I just thought that I would show you guys this one because it is so cute. The next item that I picked up is more trendy, I would say. It is this cargo skirt. I have been wanting a cargo skirt for a minute. This one right here has a pocket detail on the back. It has one pocket on the back, and then it has drawstrings along the waistline. It doesn't have any drawstrings at the bottom, as you can see. I've been on the lookout for one of these for a minute now, so I'm just happy with what I got, and it's very easy to wear. I basically just put on a crop top with this and some sandals or sneakers, and it's a vibe. So the next item that I have is this Donna Karan shirt right here, and it is very ruffly. Gotta turn on the brightness again. But this Donna Karan ruffle top right here is just so cute. It's a little transparent, as you can see, but it just gives me very like Parisian vibes with the ruffles in the front. I'm gonna style it up so y'all can see how I will wear it, but I really do love this. I'm really into like ruffles detailing in the front right now, so that is why I picked this piece up right here. The next piece that I want to show you guys is this insane top right here, and I'm pretty sure it's ostrich feathers if I'm not mistaken, but it is just so beautiful. It is a see-through mesh top that has these little like details. They kind of look like little bugs on the print. Maybe that's what they're supposed to be, I'm not sure, but I just thought that this was so cute. And then the buttons look like glass, like they are these clear rhinestone buttons that are so cute. And this is not a piece that I would wear for the summertime, but it is definitely a statement piece that I had to have, clearly. This is definitely a piece that I would wear to like an art gala or a museum, or I mean, I could wear it every day, but this is just something that I would save for like special occasion vibes. Y'all get into this. This is just so freaking cute. I love this. It's probably like my favorite top in my closet right now, for real. So next I gotta show y'all this bag that I got. It's this insane leather bag that is like this. Look at the detail, the fringe, the feather, just this bag is everything to me. I love the length. It's like very large on the inside, and then you have these leather tassels that just give it this added crazy effect, and I love this bag. This is probably going to be like my new everyday bag. I love that the strap is like long, but it's not too long. It's like the perfect length for me. Sometimes I hate when the bags are so long because then the straps just keep falling off, but this bag is pretty sturdy, so I doubt that that will happen, but so freaking cute. The last item I want to show you guys are these Gucci boots right here. These are the Gucci snakeskin boots that are from the spring summer 1996 show. I was able to find the model who walks in these and the show, so I will include footage so you guys can see that. But these boots are insanity. They have the Gucci logo and the G detail right here at the leg, and yeah, they're just really pretty. They do have some blue paint on them, so I'm gonna take them to the shoe cobbler and get them fixed. And they also have like a rip here in the back. But honestly, if I would not be able to wear these boots, I would just like put them on display, because what? 1996 Tom Ford Gucci, like come on y'all. These are insane. Literally insanity. Oh, I'm obsessed. So just a quick side note, I want to give you guys some shopping tips for if you are shopping for the summertime. If you are shopping from a secondhand store and you are looking for vintage bathing suits, make sure that you are checking the crotch area, y'all. Make sure that you are checking the crotch area, because there be surprises, and I'm not lying. Just working in the secondhand store, I see things a lot, things that I wish I could erase from my memory, but I cannot. So I'm just trying to put y'all on game. Just make sure that you're checking any type of intimate wear, swimwear that you're picking up when you're shopping secondhand. And of course, for the summertime, you want to make sure that you're looking for breathable fabrics. So that would include 100% cotton, 100% silk, 100% linen, just natural fabrics that are going to be lightweight and breathable for the summertime. You want to stay away from polyester, because it's going to make you sweat a lot more, and it's not going to mix well with your body chemicals, and it's going to make you a little scenty. It might make you a little scenty if you don't have on enough deodorant. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a few quick side tips for when you are shopping for the summertime, especially if you are thrifting. All right, so that is the end of this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to let me know what pieces you like down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.